So now I'd like to review the tentative course schedule and explain how it's organized. You can see each module has the number. The 0 module is the course orientation that you will do in the first couple days of the semester. You'll see in this second column that these are the due dates listed. So each module will begin on a Monday and will end on Sunday at 11:59 p.m. You can see the topics and assignments. These will all be included within each module, so you don't need to refer to this. It's just a general road map. You can see the due dates here are listed all the way till we have 14 modules, which will be the last day of instruction, and that is when all assignments are due. There will be no work, of course, for the week of spring break. So you'll see each of the course modules. If you'll only see some of the modules that have been published here, but they're going to be organized the same. Here's the orientation module for beginners. But for example, module 1, each module begins with an overview. You'll see the start dates and due dates listed. There is the purpose of the module, is what starts off each overview. There is a video overview of each module, goals and objectives, the assigned reading, which will also be included within the module, and the activities that we will be completing during the module. And as you go through, you'll see the course content then and instructions for reading and the activities. So in Module 1, you're going to be engaging in your first online discussion and using the online discussion rubric to understand the criteria for earning your desired points in this course. So here's a discussion board, and then you're going to respond to the discussion board, and then there's an exit ticket at the end. So you'll see under the modules tab as we get going that each module is really organized the same, with a module welcome and then instructions and activities throughout.